What's up everybody, it's Taha, and welcome back to TahaNomics, where we break down complex financial topics into easy-to-understand lessons. Today we're diving deep into the world of personal finance apps. These apps promise to simplify your financial life, but with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know which one is right for you. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video we'll be comparing 5 popular finance apps: Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, Revolut, Personal Capital, and Monzo, to help you determine which one reigns supreme. So grab your phone, maybe a snack, and let's get started. First up we have Mint, a true veteran in the personal finance app game. Mint is owned by Intuit, the same company behind TurboTax, so you know they mean business. One of Mint's biggest strengths is its comprehensive budgeting tools. With Mint, you can easily track your income and expenses, set budgets for different categories, and get personalized insights into your spending habits. Plus, Mint offers bill tracking and credit score monitoring, all in one convenient location. It's no wonder Mint is one of the most popular finance apps in the USA. Next on our list is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. And trust me, YNAB really emphasizes the need part. YNAB takes a proactive approach to budgeting, encouraging you to give every dollar a job. This means you're allocating your money before you spend it, rather than just tracking where it went after the fact. YNAB also offers a ton of educational resources to help you get the most out of their system. YNAB has a massive and passionate user base in the USA and Canada. Chapter 3. Now let's hop across the pond to the UK, where Revolut is making waves. Revolut is more than just a budgeting app, it's a financial hub. With Revolut, you can open multi-currency accounts, making it a breeze to manage your money when traveling or sending money internationally. Revolut also offers cryptocurrency trading, so you can dip your toes into the world of digital assets. But Revolut doesn't stop there. Revolut also provides detailed spending analytics, helping you understand your spending patterns down to the penny. Chapter 4. For those focused on building long-term wealth, Personal Capital is a strong contender. Personal Capital goes beyond basic budgeting and dives deep into investment tracking. You can connect all of your investment accounts, including retirement accounts like your 401k or IRA, to get a holistic view of your portfolio. Personal Capital also offers retirement planning tools and a net worth calculator, making it easy to track your progress towards your financial goals. It's no surprise that Personal Capital is popular among users in the USA who are serious about growing their wealth. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have Monzo, another UK favorite. Monzo shines when it comes to real-time spending notifications. As soon as you swipe your Monzo card, you'll get a notification letting you know exactly how much you spent and where. Monzo also offers a cool feature called savings pots, which allow you to set aside money for specific goals, like a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. And if you travel frequently, you'll love Monzo's fee-free spending abroad. So there you have it, 5 amazing finance apps: Mint, YNAB, Revolut, Personal Capital, and Monzo, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're new to budgeting and want something easy to use, Mint is a great option. For those who want a more proactive approach, YNAB might be the perfect fit. Revolut is your go-to for international travel and cryptocurrency, while Personal Capital excels in investment tracking and retirement planning. And if you're in the UK and want a user-friendly app with real-time spending insights, Monzo is worth checking out. No matter which app you choose, the most important thing is that you're taking control of your finances. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.